Normala ken yam kana diala content barwanya lingwasme. Anda manduni chan kosnyak malaya nong rwanya ngwasme kan Nuer online TV channel. An wala e shang ka baro ka paiba dek ron kina dangra wid yan dangra wid dich. Job nong yame a breaking news ke kwinentin kon tilat ka parliament. Jen nana gor no benwa ya kel ka jalera me. Men gor benwa ya kel adoba dan en chaka kam yo ka je. Kenyam gore jano beja kwen ka tok English beja kula ladiyo ka tok Nuer ani chana report dana chalat gwasme chana je linkel ka doba dan en chaka kam yoken ka je okay chana je linkel gwasme ne well MPs receive long delay medical allowance while salaries is still delayed. Members of Parliament finally received their medical allowance after many months of waiting and complaining about unpaid salaries and benefits. According to a source, HMPs, members of Parliament, received $1,000 as medical allowance. This is the first payment of its kind in several months. The payment was made just 3 weeks after Parliament resumed its sitting during one of the session. Speaker Jema Nunu Kumba said that several MPs died in the past year because they could not afford medical treatment. This was due to the delay in salary payment. Many MPs have spoken out about their financial struggles, saying that they are unable to meet their basic needs, including access to health care, food and family support. While medical allowance is a welcome step, many members of Parliament are still waiting for their full salaries and others benefit to be paid. They continue to urge the government of South Sudan to address the situation quickly to avoid more suffering. Kaja ulen kono magwa sa medio je shajilengano sha MPs ni ke members of Parliament cha kam yuken. Angudir law tema nediti medan lat kano ne they need contain la civil servant they come yoken. They come yoken they can kanang. In a state nike nyurien dioje tige ke jokere tema gwa de pai parliament session fa toka je ke wona ska parliament gwa dulka. Me kon kana address Kenya by the way ken the civil servant they come salary niken la they come yoken. Bara na oche toga no sha kam nika yoken. Akan kono ka dung civil servant chan na men kwen be mala dundian malat ken gwasmene netin kontin te ka parliament re wiki juba aneti ti kana gur kano de ka moy ka yone ka gwad me chewo kan yura ti de ka yudwel wal de la kam ka ke no kan chika te ka pet ngwana long te kan ka kam yoken ko digen ke salary nit la kam ka ki yur la kap ko re kuma ka chekan no ba ka kam yoken ka gwasedan no me kan ga kam yuken waken chicken complain ka kor gwame bar taken kil me yadi denwo ane kam ka yoko wacha ka kam yuken the same way and la ne kon la civil servant la kan complain kan alat ko gor ken yuken mane ti ban taken ka complain gor ken yuken akene ne kam ka yoko but kan ga kam yuken akume kil me yadi and tamum rai kona ka kor joka kel karwade apai ken nyurka parliament neka wo chikan la no go ne yudul wal ka joma chala do chiga chal ke speaker Jema Nunu Kumba jenene tungwan tin konti la members of parliament wa liuke dio chajelinga ne shop ka walngwan chika liu lora bang ka wa manaka wo kan tele ke yu ti shakam ke la seller niken te kam ke baraina murai kona kan kona pin wena me Chanatin Contilla members of Parliament shaka muka you a teach of ke kiss $1,000 ke yurin konen kam ke h chiga nedial ramkel take you take kit $1 te kam ke Parliament so na me mi chala temen wo chinerin kontin let ka Parliament re wika so Sudan shaka kam yuri ti shop ko tone alo antame wa chiga yoken no shiken ke receive ka tadan lat je ke je no ne kon tika parliament tibos ke speaker Jema Nunu Kumba jalad no several MPs chicken liu kene to want la members of parliament ni kon tila tika parliament chimugi ne mogatur me wa ka korun ka metar la pass year wa je tekne ngwanung ti chiliu ka me liu ka ke wa tan dien chicken yo dwel wal chicken ga lon ka yorpin ka kuja mo wa chika liu ko tele ka yo tede kan wal ko ke wa delayment of salary ka ke kene de ti wa chi ye ken chika bat antame wa jen mu ku MPs kwa gala mo ke yo antame ka jen gwa se meram kel te ke kit US dollar ena mi be dich tuare be ko moch ano ka bo dul wal ka tan dien ka jo dana chalan ngai konen go mishir kana me se de to ken yamlo de ken chicken yure kep ken by the way nere konde yo kep kenyam de kanetin kontila civil servant ko ken kanete motite ke kume de kon fine ken ka do badana de civil servant ade ken yo de ken gaje civil servant kanete kon la lat chit ke ngiech la teacher chit ka police ni chit ke de ni chit ka lat kume la officially nere kon tere which one ete ken kon de yo ken de ken kon je special nere very important along kanete kon la jidul gora telangiej awakene te nyam te de yoken de ken keje but chiam pinish kan yushi kan de je kenem jeno kwala cholo na me a corruption ko jin dini jin ka bu goro kon yu je kenyam ba civil servant ba kula pal moy ke yeka yo eno katiyan dai den ko by the way kan je kan yoken won cham kan yoken won chikan chika civil servant kan je kan yoken shang you know je kan yoken but right now do chikan lele awashi acceptable kodi ken de ken kon goro de ji we de ka yoken kon jek eno mete ka do me de ken yoken o goin ge de ken kulo goin ke jak but ken gor ke jen do mo ken gor no di ken bi yobe ken ke jigo kenyam yori akam ke yo medical allowance ala yutin konti la top ke kwidul wal ko ken am pine by the way tiet ke long wa ken de kon pies ke kume ken de kon jaga kume ko bago wa sha goro de ga tekerik de ga teke jot kon teke gor ke jeno de ke dil wuch jen ta dana en right ken ke kwide but kum gu kone ene de kon de mal pe kenyam ken de kon la jiwich by the way let me tell you this jin mi jin won me de cheng che kwen ke shega ti ka gat ti ke shek no ka gat tiene kon me chaje ko tale che twak a mandit kana gwandi de kon mi de walde kon mi na gat and de kon mi na gat of course ne de ti de shal ke members of parliament cherkan kane ti cherkan ka gwaninat kodi kane de kon la kula roi ko chi weche te ganyo chi weche te ka kora palke anawre malke yoga yorka pin these are the people in kola kula fight but right now chine dini kan pange kane kon kula goro biga mit kenyam ku kane de tiene gat ken ku kan la pal lo shushke agenta dana le road entama so jawlin kona me amla road re wike so Sudan and wo chinede konti la members of parliament chicken yoken chicken gajek chika civil servant chicken ka palora bang no ajen jawdana shala ne me ko wo chinede konti la civil servant cha ka pal kana kam yoken but members of parliament chicken bot kenyam lo chika yoken chicken gajek ne makarwa de corruption che chon ka shimogwa ajen jawdana gode nywa yekel members KMPs tentaga parliament tiga yoke ni kana kap ane biya tiga mal ban yo jiga laradian an walla a shanka baroka pay badak ron kin dangro jen dangare widi dich ban jiga laradian biya tiga mal bye bye